They all every time we say goodbye.
Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to today's vlog. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning. I'll begin with my living room. I'll also do a lot of laundry, and I'm also going to touch on the bedroom. So watch to the end and make sure you leave a beautiful comment.
You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so
The spacing between my baby's cot and my bed is quite small, and that's why I had to climb on my bed so that I could take off her beddings.
happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we
I just realized that my baby's mattress was rusting, but I just think it's because it's covered with a marking torch. So once she sweats, I think that moisture normally caused the rust. Or what do you think?
then you don't know. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.
I went ahead to remake the bed, but this time I didn't use bumpers because I don't have an extra set.
Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning.
The beauty of this baby coat is just the matching pillowcases and the matching bumpers. It just makes it look very, very beautiful.
Know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
All my baby blankets are thrifted. I normally buy them between 600 and 700 shillings depending on the size, and they normally serve me very, very well.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't come.
For my bed, I just went ahead to make it because I had changed the beddings a previous day, so I didn't change them again.
In times I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe together.
For my window, I usually tie my curtain with this piece of red cloth because we don't have the curtain rods. We normally use the curtain box, and you cannot squeeze in the curtains together. Again, making the bed towards the wall is just a hassle because I don't have some space in between the wall and the bed because the bedroom is a bit squeezed.
Then I know that you try your best, and you're calling me to over dramatically talk to me, and it's so funny, you're all I wanted, and I can't talk, want you out of my life, so say none.
I'm going to be cleaning these and these are my baby's beddings. I had already cleaned mine a previous day, so I'll not change them. And I think I need to work on the bumpers because they are very dirty. And the worst thing is that you cannot get out this outer cover, so you just have to clean it as it is. So I've changed her beddings. So I've changed her blanket. She will be using this one this week. And I've also removed the bumper covers and the pillow covers and also changed her bed sheet. Yep. So as they soak, I think I'll be cleaning the living room, or I don't know what I'll be doing, but I'll just be doing some cleaning somewhere because there's so much I need to clean today. Yeah. As the clothes were soaking, I just decided to go and clean up my living room because it was just looking messy.
I think it's on to me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart. Together we'll fall apart. Together we'll fall apart. We'll fall apart, I know that we're a mess. And I know that you're trying your best. And you're calling me to over dramatically talk to me. And it's so funny, you're all I wanted. And I can't talk, want you out of my life, so just say none. I'll wait for days if you ain't one. I'll just say none. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart. Together we'll fall apart. Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe.
My main focus of the living room was the carpet, and it turned out as I expected. After finishing up with the living room, I just went ahead to do my laundry. I had a lot of clothes to clean up, bearing in mind that it was a weekend. And in case you are wondering why I'm just getting water from my bucket, I live in a place with inadequate water. And water had come the previous day, and I just stored them in those buckets so that I could use it for cleaning.
Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love.
In most cases, I usually clean my daughter's clothes twice. That's in the first bucket and the second one because they are usually very, very dirty.
Reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, Addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost. Addicted to the rush.
In case you have watched this video up to this point, I'm very grateful for your support.
Artificial love.
I keep changing my fabric softener, but I realized a gentle lavender has some good smell.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates?
At this point, I had already finished washing most of the clothes and I was just rinsing all of them together.
Artificial love. Artificial love, we just make it up.
I finished up by cleaning the beddings, and at this point I was just feeling very exhausted.
Mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love.
After doing a thorough laundry, I went ahead to scrub my bathroom. I, however, did not do a deep clean because I was already tired. I just cleaned the floors.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was,
I just used Omo, Jik and water to scrub the floor.
addicted to the rush, I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love.
After scrubbing, I just went to hang my clothes, after which I came and touched on a few places of my bedroom.
Will never be good enough. And even if it was,
This is the last place I cleaned, and I didn't do anything much because I was tired. I just swept the carpet and that was it with the cleaning.
every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
Let me thank all of you who have watched up to this point, and I really wish to appreciate my Premier Gang who always spare their time to just come and support me. Nawapenda sana.
Alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
I wish to end this cleaning video here. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Let me see you in my next video right here, the same time, the same place at 2 p.m. on Tuesday and Thursdays.
Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we
Bye bye. I love you guys.